press and hold that. Turns colors, and now we're going to go into checkout. Gas heat. Wonder if it'll let me do it without resetting it. I think I'm going to have to go reset it. But let me just install this, I think. I don't even think it has a season on it yet. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. No. '19, so this is the first seat. Oh, no, second season. I don't know. Oh, jeez. You guys are way off. There we go. One thing I noticed outside is venting's a little funky. It's like the vent goes, or the intake goes underneath of the vent. I mean underneath of the deck. But we're going to figure out. Jeez. We're gonna see. I don't know if the gas pressure's ever been adjusted on this thing. Maybe the gas pressure's way whack. Very well could be. That one. Just going to crack that. Put our little hose adapter on there. We'll power it off and then power it back on upstairs. Let's go back upstairs and put it into checkout mode. Waiting for the computer. Make sure that occupancy sensor's turned off too. Jeez, oh Pete. So limit lockout means it's getting too hot. Let's check the sensor too. We're going to disable that. Let's put it into checkout, gas heat. And start. What? Gas fell's clicking away. start out intermediate. We're just going to adjust the high and low. See it. Let's see, where's my gas pressure? Temp rise. Does it have gas pressure in here? 100,000. Static pressure, what am I missing it? Yeah, there it is. We're 0 to 4,500. Low stage on between 0.5 and 0.65. I was at 1 inch. Intermediate stage was 1.8 when it started up, so I'm at the high side of that. And high stage, I got a variance of between 3.2 and 3.8, but I guarantee it's going to be on the high side. So we are going to wait until this thing right there, I don't know if you can see that. So we're going to wait until it starts back up, or it goes into high, because you only adjust low and the high, and the intermediate stage falls into place. That's Carrier MN7 modulating. Okay, it's ramping up. I'm at 3.7. So guess what? I'm going to go down to 3.2. installers came out, they never adjusted it or started it up. Well, that was kind of, let's say, our fault for not adjusting gas pressure on startup, but it ran through a whole season like that. But what I found is I got all the gas pressure adjusted right where it should be. Took my temp rise. It was a little on the high side. Still, should have enough ductwork there. So we went walking around the house. About half the registers were covered. You know, they got a Christmas tree, they got presents all around it, and they covered up the register. Then they covered up the register next to it, and then the one behind that. And upstairs, the kids got all their clothes all over the registers. And after I got all the registers back open, kind of cooled down a little. So that was a combination between customer error and installer error. But we got it figured out, not a big deal. And my phone's always ringing. So that was just a quick video on doing some adjustments on a Carrier MN7, which is their modulating furnace with their modulating gas valve. And you only want to, when you adjust it, you want to adjust it in low first, and then you want to adjust it in high. But when you're adjusting it, you're using the same potentiometer, and you want to move that potentiometer slow. Don't go in there, and if it's a half inch over fire, just don't go in there and start click, 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 click. It just won't register. You have to do click, 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 slow. If you don't do that, you'll think you got a bad gas valve and it doesn't want to adjust. Because I've seen that happen before, where you get techs out. They're like, yeah, I tried adjusting it, but then I go out and adjust fine. Because you gotta take it slow. Well, that's it for this one. That's just a quick overheating on a Carrier Infinity. And as you've seen, that manifold pressure on low stage was half inch over fired. So that will definitely do it. Plus, all the registers closed and blocked. That'll definitely do it too, because you can't get the air out of the furnace. It's got nowhere to go besides overheat. So that's it for this one. I will see you on the next one.